Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make something delicious today. Start by chopping 6 cloves of garlic, or you can adjust the amount based on your taste. Cut 250 grams or 9 ounces of sweet cherry tomatoes in half. Place a large skillet over medium heat and add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Transfer the chopped garlic to the skillet and let it cook for about 30 or 40 seconds. Next, add the cherry tomatoes and saute them for a few minutes until they are becoming soft. Once the cherry tomatoes are soft, add a can of tomato sauce, about maybe a cup and a half, to the mixture. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now bring a pot of water to a boil so we can cook the pasta. Add a teaspoon of salt and give it a good stir. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to boiling water. This will keep the pasta from sticking together. Add 450 grams, about 1 pound of your favorite pasta to the boiling water. While the pasta is cooking, chop a bunch of fresh basil and put it aside. Now mix about 150 grams, 5 to 6 ounces of ricotta cheese. This is my secret to a rich and creamy sauce. Our pasta is ready. Drain it and toss the sauce right into it. Mix well until the sauce is evenly combined with the pasta. Now add about 100 grams of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and mix it well. Finally, add the fresh basil and toss everything together until the pasta is beautifully mixed. For protein, I made oven-roasted salmon fillet coated with delicious Italian herbs. Dinner is ready. Delicious spaghetti with tomato sauce served alongside perfectly oven-roasted salmon topped with roasted garlic. Wow, such a delicious dish, so good. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it with your family and friends. Do not forget to like, comment, and share with your loved ones. See you next time with another great recipe.